Hey guys, take a look at these cool gadgets that you might want to buy. Enjoy! Renpho Head Massager. This is an electric waterproof portable head massager with 4 replaceable massage heads with 76 individual nodes that conform to fit the scalp and provide a gently kneading 360 degrees massage experience to promote inner scalp circulation and relieve stress. This device is good for hair growth and great for people with anxiety and sleep problems. It also allows you to select the speed you desire, whether it's low speed, high speed, or alternative speed, in order to provide you with the best massage experience. The Renpho head massager is also very effective when used on other body parts like shoulders, legs, arms and back. You can even use it on your pet. Philips Series 9000 Prestige Beard Trimmer. This is a device for men who can actually grow a beard. The device features the brand new steel precision technology, which consists of an integrated metal comb and strong cutter. This beard trimmer always follows the contour of your face, with an anti-friction coating that allows it to effortlessly and comfortably glide over your skin. With this device, you won't have to worry about the blades losing their sharpness, as they are designed to remain sharp for a lifetime. Imagine using the blade for over 30 years, you might even need to pass it down to the next generation. And thanks to the special geometry of the blades, the Beard Trimmer 9000 Prestige cuts even the thickest hair without pulling. Oral-B IO Series 10. Speaking of devices that could last for a lifetime, aren't you tired of using these ordinary old toothbrushes that aren't really effective and you have to replace them from time to time? If you want to stay out of the dentist's chair and away from a pricey bill, then the Oral-B IO Series 10 is exactly what you need. An electric toothbrush powered by artificial intelligence to intuitively guide your brushing and provide a personalized experience like no other. It features 7 smart brushing settings, including Daily Clean, Sensitive, Gum Care, Intense Clean, Super Sensitive, Tongue Clean, and Whiten. With a smart pressure sensor that keeps your gums healthy, this rechargeable electric toothbrush with IO Sense Cosmic Black is guaranteed to give you a professional level clean. Philips 3-in-1 Air Purifier, Fan and Heater. The 2000 Series 3-in-1 Purifier, Fan and Heater is a versatile appliance that can help you improve your indoor air quality, cool your home in the summer, and warm it in the winter. The purifier features a HEPA filter that removes 99.95% of airborne particles as small as 0.003 microns, including pollen, dust, pet dander, and smoke. This can help to improve your allergies and asthma symptoms and create a healthier environment for your family. The fan has 3 speed settings, allowing you to choose the level of airflow that's right for you. The fan also has a 350 degrees oscillation feature, so it can circulate the air evenly throughout your room. The heater also has 3 heat settings, enabling you to choose the temperature that's most comfortable for you. The heater also has a safety feature that automatically turns it off if it overheats. The air quality sensor detects particles in the air that are smaller than 2.5 m and displays it in real time with both numerical and color-coded feedback. Logitech Ergo K860 Keyboard. The Logitech Ergo K860 keyboard is a split ergonomic keyboard that is designed to reduce wrist strain and improve typing comfort. It has a number of features that make it stand out from other keyboards, including its spit design that allows you to position the keyboard halves at a more natural angle, which reduces wrist strain. The curved layout helps keep your wrists in a more neutral position, which is also more comfortable. The built-in palm rests provide support for your wrists and hands, which can help to reduce fatigue, and the adjustable typing angle feature that allows you to tilt the keyboard in different angles and find the most comfortable position. The device has special media keys that make it simple for you to control any media and backlit keys that can easily be seen in low light conditions. Barista Touch Impress. Imagine waking up early in the morning and having the privilege of drinking your favorite coffee without having to wait in line at some restaurant that you normally have to go to before heading to work. The Barista Touch Impress is a coffee-making machine that allows you to make the best coffee in the comfort of your own kitchen or office in just a matter of seconds. It has the thermojet heating system that gives you a 3-second heat-up time, meaning you go from bean to cup faster than ever before. The Barista Touch Impress navigates you through the Impress Puck system, which means intelligent dosing, assisted 22 pounds tamping and auto-correction of the next dose to achieve a precise puck, finished with a 7 degrees barista twist. The automatic steam wand allows you to adjust the milk temperature between 40 degrees Celsius to 75 degrees Celsius and 8 levels of texture to suit your taste. It comes with an improved touchscreen that guides you every step of the way to make your perfect coffee, all at your fingertips. Bose QuietComfort 2 True Wireless Earbuds. Introducing to you the Bose QuietComfort 2, arguably one of the best earbuds ever made. These earbuds were designed to enhance the comfortability of continuing with your daily activities without having to remove them from your ears. These earbuds come with many cool features like being able to adjust the EQ settings in the Bose Music app, control music and noise cancellation, answer calls, and adjust volume directly from the surface of your buds with simple touch. The ActiveSense technology in Aware mode can silence loud background noise to a stop or soften it to a manageable volume. You'll always get fantastic sound quality because custom-tuned technology auto-adjusts it to your ears' liking, personalizing sound to the shape of your ears for an immersive listening experience. Senstroke Virtual Drum Kit. Imagine a world where you can play the drums anywhere you want, without having to worry about noise or space. That's the world of Senstroke, a virtual drum kit that uses sensors and your smartphone or tablet to turn any surface into a drum. Senstroke is the perfect solution for drummers of all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned pro, Senstroke can help you improve your skills and have fun at the same time. To use the Senstroke drum, all you need to do is place the Senstroke sensors on any surface, such as a table, chair, or even the floor, connect your smartphone or tablet to the Senstroke app and choose a drum kit and start playing. The Senstroke app features a variety of drum kits to choose from, including acoustic, electric, and even electronic kits. You can also create your own custom drum kits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more.